Rani special. Take a coffee break and know something new about your digital friend. So today we are going to see how to make many attendees in our Teams app. This procedure can be used in lab or computer or in mobiles. First of all, select the team in which you want to schedule the meeting. Once you get into the team, you will see a meet option in the right up corner. In the right side of the meet option, you will see an arrow mark. If you click into that, you will see an option called Schedule the Meeting. You just give the name of the meeting and adjust your time. And then give Send. Once you give Send, you will be back to the page where the scheduled meetings are available. And then you will see three dots. If you click into that, you will see a View Meeting option. If you click into that, you'll be able to see the details of the meeting scheduled. And in the right upside, you'll be seeing a meeting option. If you click the meeting option, you will be picked up to the web page. In this page, you can see a question like who can present. Straight to that, you can see the default setting as everyone. You just click the everyone and select only me. And then click save. Once you see the done symbol, you can get out of this page. And then join the meeting as usual you do. The upcoming person will automatically change as an attendee. If you like to watch our daily updates, you can subscribe our channel.